Emerging technology innovations in drones are poised to significantly reduce the risks associated with offshore oil inspections by enhancing safety, efficiency, and data accuracy. Let's delve deeper into how this is achieved. Drones can inspect areas that are hazardous for humans, such as tall structures, confined spaces, and environments with high levels of toxic gases. This reduces the risk of accidents and health issues among inspection personnel. Drones can be operated remotely, allowing inspectors to maintain a safe distance from dangerous areas, such as active drilling rigs or regions with volatile substances. Drones can perform inspections faster than humans, covering large areas in less time. This reduces the downtime of offshore platforms and improves overall operational efficiency. By decreasing the need for scaffolding, rope access, and helicopters, drones can significantly lower the cost of inspections. This is particularly beneficial in the offshore environment where logistics are complex and expensive. Modern drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and LiDAR sensors, providing detailed visual data that can detect minor defects, corrosion, and other issues that might be missed by the human eye. Real-time data transmission. Drones can transmit data in real time, allowing for immediate analysis and quicker decision-making. This is crucial for timely maintenance and repair actions. AI and machine learning. Integration with AI and machine learning algorithms can enhance data analysis, providing predictive maintenance insights and identifying patterns that indicate potential failures. Drones excel in navigating around complex and hard-to-reach structures. For instance, they can easily access the undersides of platforms, flare stacks, and even venture inside tanks. This capability ensures comprehensive inspection coverage. Additionally, underwater drones, known as ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, are instrumental in inspecting subsea structures, pipelines, and risers. This significantly reduces the need for costly and dangerous diver operations. In the realm of environmental monitoring, drones are equipped with specialized sensors to detect oil spills and leaks, enabling rapid response and mitigation to minimize environmental impact. Moreover, drones play a crucial role in monitoring the impact of offshore operations on marine wildlife. This helps ensure compliance with environmental regulations and aids in reducing the ecological footprint. Major oil companies have already started reaping the benefits of using drones for offshore inspections. They report significant reductions in inspection times and improved safety records. Another notable mention is Sky Futures, a company that provides drone inspection services specifically for the oil and gas industry. They offer high-resolution visual and thermal data, which assists in accurate assessment and decision-making. The adoption of drone technology in offshore oil inspections represents a leap forward in ensuring the safety, efficiency, and sustainability of operations. By reducing the need for human presence in hazardous environments, speeding up the inspection process, and providing high-quality data, drones are transforming how the industry manages risks and maintains its assets. Thank you for watching this video. I will come back to you shortly with another interesting video.